So first year I lived in Home Park, not by choice, but by lack of management. I literally waited maybe 24 hours and like there was no housing left. I wasn't smart about it. So then ended up having to go into Home Park.
What do you think of Home Park?
Yeah, Home Park was nice. It was nice, yeah.
Just nice? That's it?
Yeah, that's literally that's all I really have to say. It was it was nice. For like accommodation, they don't really care too much. They take the piss when it comes to deposits. At the end they're trying to charge you for every little scuff and shit. I didn't like that, but it was pretty chill. Yeah.
Okay. And your second year?
Second year I went into a house.
And what was it like going from Home Park to a house?
So I'd say the biggest change was like managing bills, but I was with all girls second year, so everyone was just like, there was more responsible people than me, so they took charge and I just like sent bill money to them, which was cool. Real estate's a rip-off. They don't come and check really like that. They charge you a fee. I don't know if they do that anymore.
Is real estate a company, you're saying?
No, just like the actual estate agents.
Oh, okay.
I mean, yeah.
And your third year?
Third year, I was in a house as well. No, flat with some other people.
And what was it like going from a house to a flat?
It's warmer. The house is already cold. It's a lot warmer in a flat. It's nicer too because it's not like just a single individual house, especially when like all your other housemates have gone somewhere and you're the only one. It's a bit more chill when there's other people upstairs and downstairs, I'd say.